Now, this is a research of potentially amazing coins, and these selections were made through a combination of fundamental analysis and the potential value of each network, considering the established price and the anticipation of future evolutions, the launches, and general market conditions with their likely impact. It should be noted that I am not a qualified financial advisor, and this lesson should not be considered as financial advice, since I cannot guarantee in any way that these investments are profitable. But there will always be a significant risk with investment, and especially with volatile markets with technology of Vanguard. So next, the list of cryptocurrencies will give you a summary in which cryptocurrency to invest as a possible candidate to be more likely to an upward trend towards the end of the year. The first one is Zcash and Zcoin. So after much breakup, many people were burned with the release of Zcash, unrealistic expectations, and many misunderstood suspicion on the part of many traders regarding the low supply of currencies in the first few days and how it could be changed over time, leading to the price of Zcash coins to an increase by orders of a large magnitude to 1 BTC, 1 Bitcoin, immediately after its launch, despite a similar maximum supply, followed by a massive accident in which some people have lost a lot of money. But despite this, the potential of zero coin technology is significant. There is little discussion that this is the best privacy technology for blockchain, and there's a big market to improve privacy in cryptocurrency. At some point, the price of zero cash will be lower, and I suspect by deduction that it will be in a short time. It can even float above $50 at the moment, as it has bounced once in this price range. So when a solid floor is established and a certain confidence returns to the market, better cryptocurrencies to invest. But even more interesting from my perspective, Zcoin is the youngest cousin of Zencash, based on the same technology but with a slightly different approach. And Zcoin is currently valued at less than 1% of Zencash. And this gives a lot of space with a more significant appreciation for next year. So without going into too many details, the main difference is that Zencash hides every part of a transaction, except the amount sent. So while Zcash hides everything, this means that Zencoin's privacy protection is not as complete, but it does reduce the risk associated with the trust configuration that Zencash suffer from, and that could allow an attacker who has compromised the configuration parameters to create as many coins as you want on your own without anyone knowing. Number 2, Dash. This may be a controversial option for some people, but I really believe that Dash could have a great year in 2017 and 2018. Although the price has dropped a bit from a high level in the middle of last year, the YTD chart still looks great for Dash. With a big update called Established Evolution for its launch sometime in 2017, there are good reasons for it to be bullish. And the evolution will bring a series of new features that will make use of the second level network masternode, which is a masternode, where Dash is well known for things that our other currencies without this network of masternodes cannot perform. Perhaps most significantly, it is also the simplest in appearance. Users can create accounts and log in their wallets from any device with a username and a password, without sacrificing decentralization by entrusting their currencies through a third-party wallet. Number 3, MaidSafe Coin. Perhaps it is the most anticipated project currently in cryptography, but MaidSafe is a great ambitious project of internet decentralization. And the price of MaidSafe coin has been going strong in recent months. And I think this is because investors are getting tired of a long wait and do not want to lose their gains in Bitcoin bullish trend. But now this can end up being a wave when it is finally released in its moment, even much more dramatic than normal. But there's a lot of projects that are not trying to decentralize content publishing and hosting, but with a development history dating back even before Bitcoin was invented. It was only modified later to include cryptocurrency style reward using SafeCoin. But MaidSafe is possibly the mother of them all. Number 4, Syscoin. So the Syscoin project is building a decentralized market and has been in active development since 2014, despite the fact that the team lost most of its financing due to fraud, and when then the bankruptcy of the exchange operator who directed the trust for its massive sale. In many ways, the Syscoin market is similar to OpenBazaar, but operates on its own blockchain. In my opinion, this brings significant advantages over OpenBazaar, such as the ability for users to post offers without having to keep their computer connected all the time so that the offer remains valid. And better cryptocurrencies buyers can pay with Bitcoin or even with 7Cash for their privacy. In addition to using the native tokens of Syscoin, a large release expected in early 2017 will bring the introduction of Block Market, a white label store that will allow anyone to create a web-based front end for the market.